Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to monetize TikTok account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now the first thing you should do is to simply open your TikTok account on your phone. Then you should go to your profile by clicking on the icon on the bottom right corner right here. And there's just some small things that you want to achieve before you can monetize from TikTok. First, you should have 1,000 followers on your account. And the second is you should have full access to live or streaming on TikTok. So once you get the 1,000 followers, you will be able to go live on TikTok. After that, you have to be active. You have to stream for 30 minutes or 1 hour, I think, and it should be streaming regularly. So after we achieve these two goals now, you can open your TikTok. Then go and tap on these 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner. Then you should click on TikTok Studio. And now here, as you can see, you will find this section right here, which is called Monetization. And now you have many options that you can use in order to benefit financially from TikTok. So now let's choose any one of these methods. Now I'm going to click on Live GIFs, for example. And here you can see it will show you this option right here. If you want GIFs on your eligible, you can simply turn on this feature. After turning on this feature, it will show you more goals that you have to achieve in order to turn on the GIFs on your videos. So as you can see, it will ask you that you should have at least 10,000 followers. Views must pass safety moderation to be eligible for GIFs. Should have an account that have been active for at least 30 days, and you should meet the age requirement. Now when I go back now, let's see other monetization methods. For example, let's see the subscription here. As you can see, it will show you also other goals that you have to achieve in order to get this feature. And you can simply go back and check all these monetization methods. And you can simply also click on View All right here in order to show you all the monetization methods that you can use in order to get some money. And as you can see, it shows you how many goals exactly have you achieved. So each method of monetization has its own goals and has its own requirements. So you should focus on one by one, achieve all the requirements in it, then activate it. And by this way, you can simply earn money from TikTok. So that's basically how you can monetize TikTok account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.